What?
We just arrived to our Whistler, Canada hotel room. We're at the Sundial. This is the 2-bedroom premium mountain view suite. And we love this room because of this. We can get super excited for our skiing lessons tomorrow. Get to watch everybody come down the slopes. Are you excited, Giselle?
Yeah!
Come on, why don't you show everybody around? We're in the living room. We got a kitchen, which is great for kids. This is one of the bedrooms. And let's go to the next one. Here's the second bedroom, connecting to 2 bathrooms. It's like a Jack and Jill bathroom. There's a shower here and another shower here. We love this room.
How much soda eat? I think so right here. Uh-oh.
We're on our way to get fitted for our skis. Our whole family is going to take lessons tomorrow. Fun. So we're gonna go somewhere high. We're at the Fairmont. We're here for our anniversary dinner. Tell me blood. 1, 2, 3, go. This way, follow Daddy. So we're walking through Whistler Village. We're gonna try to get our favorite crepes store and then maybe go sledding. We're at Whistler Village Playground. So beautiful here. Amalin and Broderick is sledding right now, and we couldn't find a large sled for Giselle, so we're just gonna hang out here. is our favorite crepe restaurant. It is so delicious. Last time we ate here every single day, but there's no reservations, so it's first come first serve, and it might be a very long wait. So we'll see. Oh, so what did you get, Amalin?
Crepes.
What kind of crepe is it?
Banana chocolate.
Oh, that's amazing. And we got some appetizers. We got some sauce. Ooh, nice and steamy. Let's go fast.
That means no drinking. Yeah, that was the one.
I'll follow you.
Hear the valley calling us and see it's shining bright.
You're just as pretty as a speckled pup. That's why I keep on calling and I can't give up. I'll give you everything I've got from A to Z.
Okay, we're just taking a break. We had some lunch and enjoying the beautiful views. Are you gonna make a snowball? We're about to go to Foxy Hollow. Amalin's first time on a chairlift. Are you scared, Amalin?
No, Daddy's scared.